Hello everyone, my name is Aman Rashid, you're watching Mr. Phone and welcome to the first look and unboxing video of the newly released iQOO 7. But guys, before we start, please go ahead and subscribe to the Mr. Phone YouTube channel if you're new here and if you like our content. Also press that bell icon so that you're notified whenever a brand new video drops. With that said, let's get started. Okay, so this is the box of the iQOO 7. 7 branding over here looks pretty slick. Up close, if you see this carbon texture-like design the company has given on the box, I think this also looks pretty cool. iQOO 7 branding here, iQOO 7 branding here. Quickly looking at the back, so made in India product. I have the 8GB plus 128GB storage variant with me right now. This is the solid ice blue color of the iQOO 7 and I can't wait to take a look. So let's quickly go ahead and unbox. So at the top we get this sleeve, I believe. Yeah, so Monster inside, 7 branding again. Okay, we have the paperwork here. Okay, yeah, paperwork and a SIM eject pin. Wait, let's keep this on the side. Here is the phone. Okay, let's take this out. And yeah, this is the solid ice blue color of the iQOO 7. I think this is one of the best blue finishes on a phone that I have seen in recent memory. You have the triple camera setup right over here. This is a 48 megapixel main camera that you get on this phone. And yeah, this is the iQOO 7 in solid ice blue. Let's boot it up and keep it aside for the moment and check what else do we get inside. Okay, we get a transparent silicone case. Pretty good, pretty standard. Okay, so this is the flash charger, 66 watt charger. Okay, and at last the USB Type-C cable for charging. Once again, let me focus. Yeah, so pretty standard stuff that you get inside the box. Okay, so let's clear up this mess and take our first look at the iQOO 7. Alright guys, so I have set up my iQOO 7 and my main SIM is inside the smartphone. So let's go ahead as I'm going to give you my initial impressions of the iQOO 7. Starting off by talking about the display, well, you're getting a 6.6-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED panel here. I can safely say that in this brief time that I've spent with the smartphone, this is a gorgeous display. You get a 120Hz refresh rate here, and let me quickly show that to you by going into the settings. Moving on, the iQOO 7 is powered by the Snapdragon 870 SoC. I have the 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage variant with me, which is the base version. In terms of software, this phone runs on FunTouch OS 11.1 and not Origin OS that many of us were expecting. This is based on Android 11, so that's great. Besides this, for authentication, there's an optical in-display fingerprint sensor on this phone, and let me quickly show you all how it works. In terms of ports and buttons, the volume rockers and the power button are here on the right, very clicky and good tactile response on offer. At the bottom are the USB Type-C port, a primary mic, a dual nano SIM slot and a speaker grill. At the top is the earpiece, which doubles up as the secondary speaker, and yes, this phone gets a stereo speaker setup, which is phenomenal, I think. And yeah, there's a secondary mic at the top as well. Quickly coming over to the rear, and I have to say that this is the best blue shade that I have seen on a phone in recent memory, and a lot of cool looking blue shades we have got from other companies this year, such as the Galaxy A52, the Reno 5 Pro, the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max, and the list goes on and on. But this one, guys, is the best in my opinion. Apart from this iQOO branding over here, a triple camera setup over here, 48 megapixel Sony IMX598 sensor used for the main camera. This is coupled with a 13 megapixel ultra wide camera and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. As for the selfie snapper, you're getting a 16 megapixel camera situated in the punch hole. What else? So a 4400 mAh battery under the hood, not so large by today's standard, but we'll have to test it thoroughly before reaching conclusions. But yeah, the 66 watt charger that you get inside the box, I think that's awesome, and I believe the charging times are going to be super quick as well. Finally, the frame on the smartphone is made out of plastic, since I couldn't see any sort of antenna lines anywhere. Shout out to Rashid from My Smart Price. But nonetheless, the build quality is superb. I feel the phone feels solid in the hand, and once again the satin finish at the rear. I think iQOO has done a very good job here. Thumbs up. And that's about it for the video, guys. Of course, a full review with all the details, specs, camera performance, etc. is coming out very soon, so stay tuned and make sure that you are subscribed to the Mr. Phone YouTube channel. As always, thanks a lot for watching, and for all the latest in tech, stay tuned to Mr. Phone. See you guys in the next one.